Hello everybody, my name is Hannah Sarnin. I'm both an artist and a nurse. This project was made in collaboration with Dr. Judy Davidson, who is the Associate Director of the HERE program here at UCSD. The HERE program is an organization dedicated to supporting the mental health of healthcare workers. Judy reached out to me to help her with this project because she is in her retirement year this year, but she really wanted to gift her team a piece of art that was created specifically for the HERE program to represent the uniqueness and importance of what they provide for all of us. So I was honored because not only do I love fusing anything that has to do with art and medicine, I also myself used the HERE program when I was a nurse at UCSD. We started the process with a Zoom call. I met with the members of the HERE team. We talked about concepts, emotions, and ideas related to the program. I also asked them to reflect on two main questions. Number one, what do you provide through HERE and what impact does that have? Number two, what do you want people to feel when they see this image? Several recurring themes came up when going through the HERE team's responses. Open-heartedness, compassion, warmth, kindness, hope, healing, acceptance, holding space, and connection were some of them. One major theme that kept coming up with this team was destigmatization, removing the stigma around seeking help for mental health. There's so much that we take in as healthcare providers, and so many of us are very, very resilient people in general. So it's not that we don't know how to process our emotions and deal with stress. We know how to do that at a high level. However, we know how to do it a little bit too well. Suicide rates are still very high in the US, 300 to 400 physicians dying each year to suicide. This has been consistent for the past 10 years. So after I sat with those words and started writing down ideas, the image slowly began to form in my mind, and I really wanted to represent this piece as a heart with an open space. I wanted to represent the heaviness and the kind of feeling of chaos when you're not feeling well mentally. I really thought back to, how I felt in those days when I really was burning out. And then you have the very warm, very nurturing, very calm and peaceful looking counselor from the HERE program on the other side of the heart. I was inspired by a painting by Frida Kahlo that showed both exposed hearts, showed that we're all human, we're all equal in that way. The HERE team is actively working to remove the stigma surrounding mental health, especially in healthcare, and I felt like this piece of art represented that for them. This piece is called HERE for You because that's what the HERE team is. They are here for you because they want you to be happy, healthy, and successful, and they recognize and appreciate how hard healthcare workers work and how much they pour into their patients. So HERE is here for you. They're here to pour love, energy, support, and care back into those who pour it into everyone else. I just want to say thank you to the HERE team for collaborating with me on this project. I really resonated with it and I loved working on it. And thank you so much for the important work you do for our community and for our healthcare providers. And a special shout out to Judy Davidson. Thank you so much for reaching out to me for this project. It's always an honor to create something that you are connected with. It always has so much meaning and purpose to it. And that is what I am here to do with my art, because art has purpose, art has meaning, art is soulful, and art is healing. Art has energy.